If it's a little bit smaller, I might be able to simply put some sealant around it, those plumbing sealant, that rope, put it around it and tighten it. Hopefully that will be okay. Let's try, let's see. Okay, so I'm here at the bathtub, and this is a new bathtub actually. I changed the bathtub recently. I have a video about it coming soon, hopefully. This is the bathtub faucet here, and that's the place there. First I have to remove this part. There's always gonna be a surprise with this. I already know it's not gonna fit. Okay, so this is the old part here. That's how it looks like. And this looks much better than this mesh style. I'll try to just fit it by... Oh, it looks like it's gonna fit. It looks the same size. Okay. The old one is also plastic, by the way. I want to show you what happens here. Okay, I think it's gonna be okay. Okay, so I put it back. I want to show you what happens. Okay, so I start the water. It goes there. Okay, enough wasted water. The reason this happened is that the bathtub was replaced, and the old bathtub had a shorter part here, and now this is sticking out more than before, and it doesn't go normally here. You can still use the shower head, but when you need to fill a bucket or something, it's not gonna work like this. So I'm gonna change it. This one removed, and I put the new one, and hopefully it fits. I think I should take the gasket from the old one. Gasket. I'll put it inside. So with the gasket, I go back and forth. So, oh, got it. Okay, it's working. It fits. Okay, so let's see if that makes a difference. First it works, and now I put it like that. Okay. The adapter was the magic trick here to get the right size for this M28 to M25, and that's the new bathtub. brand new. And it looks like it's made from the beginning like this. It really looks pretty well. Fits the color, the style, everything. Another option was to put extenders here, so this faucet goes outside a little bit, but I didn't like that. I didn't want to mess around with this water supply here, and I also didn't want to have this sticking out too much. This is much easier. Simple solution. Thanks for watching.